Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing one of the most dynamic cities in the United States, Houston, Texas. Known for its rich cultural diversity, booming space industry, and vibrant arts scene, Houston has something for everyone. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or an adventure seeker, this ultimate travel guide will show you the best that Houston has to offer. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. Iconic Landmarks. Space Center Houston. Our first stop is Space Center Houston, the official visitor center of NASA's Johnson Space Center. Here, you can explore fascinating exhibits about space exploration, see real spacecraft, and even touch a moon rock. Don't miss the tram tour that takes you behind the scenes to see NASA's mission control and astronaut training facilities. The Museum District. Houston's Museum District is a must-visit, with 19 museums within walking distance of each other. Start at the Houston Museum of Natural Science, where you can marvel at dinosaur skeletons, precious gems, and the Burke-Baker Planetarium. Next, visit the Museum of Fine Arts, Houston, which houses an impressive collection of art from around the world. Other notable mentions include the Children's Museum of Houston and the Contemporary Arts Museum Houston. Houston Zoo. Located in Herman Park, the Houston Zoo is home to over 6,000 animals from 900 species. Explore diverse exhibits, including the African Forest, Kip Aquarium, and McNair Asian Elephant Habitat. The zoo's conservation efforts and engaging animal encounters make it a fantastic destination for visitors of all ages. Segment 2. Cultural Experiences. The Theater District. Houston's Theater District spans 17 blocks and is second only to New York City in terms of theater seats. Catch a Broadway show at the Hobby Center for the Performing Arts. Enjoy a symphony at Jones Hall, or see the Houston Ballet perform at the Wortham Theater Center. The district also hosts various music, dance, and comedy performances throughout the year. Historic Heights. Next, we explore Historic Heights, one of Houston's most charming neighborhoods. Stroll down tree-lined streets and admire the beautifully preserved Victorian homes. Visit the Heights Mercantile for boutique shopping and dining. And don't miss the 19th Street Shopping District for vintage stores and unique finds. The neighborhood also hosts the Heights' first Saturday Arts Market, featuring local artists and craftspeople. Houston's cultural diversity. Houston is known for its incredible cultural diversity, and this is reflected in its vibrant neighborhoods and delicious food scene. Visit Chinatown and the Mahatma Gandhi District for authentic Asian and Indian cuisine. Explore Little Saigon for Vietnamese delicacies. And don't miss out on Houston's famed tex-mex offerings at restaurants like Ninfa's on Navigation. Segment 3. Outdoor Adventures. Buffalo Bayou Park. For a taste of the great outdoors, head to Buffalo Bayou Park, a 160-acre green space running through the heart of Houston. Rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the bayou, or take a leisurely bike ride along the scenic trails. The park also features the Waugh Drive Bat Colony, where you can watch thousands of bats take flight at dusk. Herman Park. Herman Park is another green oasis in the city, offering a variety of recreational activities. Visit the Japanese Garden for a serene escape, ride the Herman Park Railroad, or paddle around McGovern Lake. The Miller Outdoor Theater in Herman Park hosts free performances ranging from concerts to Shakespearean plays. Galveston Island. Just a short drive from Houston, Galveston Island offers beautiful beaches and a range of attractions. Relax on the sandy shores, visit the historic Pleasure Pier for amusement rides, and explore the Moody Gardens with its aquarium, Rainforest Pyramid, and Discovery Museum. Galveston is the perfect day trip destination for some sun and sea. Segment 4. Unique Experiences. The Galleria. For a premier shopping experience, visit the Galleria, Texas' largest shopping center. With over 400 stores, including high-end boutiques and popular brands, the Galleria offers something for every shopper. The mall also features an ice skating rink and a wide range of dining options. Houston street art. Houston boasts a vibrant street art scene, with colorful murals and graffiti adorning buildings throughout the city. Head to Edo East downtown to see some of the most impressive works, including the iconic Houston is Inspired mural. Take a walking tour to discover hidden gems and learn about the artists behind these stunning creations. Culinary delights. Houston's food scene is legendary, offering a culinary journey that reflects the city's diversity. From food trucks to fine dining, the options are endless. Try barbecue at Truth BBQ, enjoy seafood at Papadoc's, or indulge in gourmet dishes at restaurants like Underbelly and Zauchai. Don't forget to visit the local farmers markets for fresh produce and artisanal goods. Conclusion. And that wraps up our ultimate guide to unboxing Houston, Texas. From space exploration and world-class museums to vibrant neighborhoods and delicious food, Houston truly has it all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!